The Saola, Pseudoryx nghetinhensis, often referred to as the Asian unicorn, is a critically endangered and elusive mammal found in the forests of the Annamite Mountains along the border of Vietnam and Laos. Discovered by the scientific community in 1992, the Saola is one of the rarest large animals on Earth, and very little is known about its behavior and population due to its secretive nature. Physical characteristics. Appearance. The Saola has a distinctive appearance, with long, straight, parallel horns that can grow up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, in length for both males and females. The horns give the animal a resemblance to an antelope, though it is more closely related to wild cattle. It has a dark brown or reddish-brown coat, with white markings on its face, including spots on its cheeks and stripes running down its nose. Its body is stocky and muscular, resembling other members of the bovidae family, which includes cows, goats, and antelopes. Size. The Saola typically weighs between 80 and 100 kilograms, 176 to 220 pounds, and stands about 80 to 90 centimeters, 31 to 35 inches, at the shoulder. Habitat. Location. The Saola is endemic to the dense, evergreen, montane forests of the Annamite Mountains, an area with high biodiversity but also considerable threats from human activity. Habitat. Saola prefer remote, humid forests, often near rivers or in areas of steep terrain. They thrive in habitats with dense vegetation where they can easily avoid detection. Diet. Herbivorous. Behavior. Elusive nature. The Saola is notoriously difficult to observe in the wild, which has contributed to its almost mythical reputation. Few have been seen by scientists, and much of what is known about their behavior comes from interviews with local villagers and camera trap photos. Solitary or small groups. Saola are believed to be solitary or form small groups, typically consisting of a female and her offspring. They are shy animals that avoid human contact, and their highly camouflaged appearance helps them blend into the forest environment. Seasonal movement. The Saola is thought to migrate seasonally, descending to lower elevations during the rainy season and returning to higher altitudes during the dry season. Reproduction. Breeding season. Little is known about the Saola's reproductive behavior, but it is believed to breed in the cooler months of the year. Offspring. Females likely give birth to one calf at a time, similar to other bovids, but the gestation period and other details of their reproductive cycle remain largely undocumented. Conservation status. Critically endangered. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists the Saola as critically endangered. Its population is estimated to be fewer than a few hundred individuals, and some scientists believe the number could be even lower. The primary threats to Saola are habitat loss. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development has greatly reduced the Saola's habitat. Poaching. While the Saola itself is not typically hunted for food, it often falls victim to snares and traps set by hunters targeting other animals like deer or wild pigs. Illegal wildlife trade. Saola horns are sometimes sought after by collectors, though they are not as heavily traded as other animal parts from Southeast Asia. Significance and challenges. Biodiversity importance. The Saola is considered a flagship species for conservation in the Annamite Mountains, and its survival is critical for the protection of the unique ecosystems in this region. Scientific rarity. The Saola is often compared to the discovery of a unicorn because of how rarely it is seen and how little is known about it. Its discovery in the 1990s was one of the most significant zoological finds of the 20th century. Challenges. Due to its rarity, finding and studying Saola in the wild is extremely difficult, and conservationists face significant challenges in protecting this species without detailed knowledge of its population or behavior. Interesting facts. Asian unicorn. The Saola is sometimes called the Asian unicorn due to its rarity and the mystical aura surrounding its discovery. However, it has two parallel horns, not a single one like the mythical unicorn. Local knowledge. Much of what is known about the Saola comes from indigenous people and local villagers who have lived alongside the species for centuries. Their insights have been critical in identifying Saola habitats and understanding their behavior. The Saola is a symbol of both the rich biodiversity and the conservation challenges of Southeast Asia. Protecting this mysterious and elusive animal is crucial to maintaining the health of its ecosystem and preventing the extinction of one of the world's rarest mammals.